Hey everybody, do you want to take your garden to that next level? Let's talk about seed saving and why you should do it. We're going to dive into why every gardener should think about saving some seeds from their garden. You'll be surprised on how many benefits there are to doing this. Reason number one, do it to save some money. Yes, some of those seed packets are pretty pricey, especially if you got something that's heirloom and something that's going to be off the wall, off the cuff type of thing. If you have some of those packets can get pretty pricey. Why not harvest some of those seeds from those plants? Especially if they are heirloom plants, you should be able to get a true to type seed from those plants. A lot of times those plants will produce dozens, if not hundreds, of seeds per fruit or vegetable. This also helps you to become more self-sufficient. Remember way back in, what was that, 2019, 2020? Trying to find some seeds and trying to find some good seeds was hard to get. Well, if you're saving your seeds, you won't have that problem. You'll have all your seeds ready to go from the prior harvest. Reason number two, save them because there's something unique with them or something rare about them. That's what heirloom seeds are. They have been seeds that have been handed down from generation to generation to generation. Why not be part of that? Keep those seeds, those rare seeds going. Even though that you might be able to find a packet on sale this year for something, maybe next year it might not be for sale. You want to make sure that you should be able to keep those seeds going from year to year. Reason number three, adapt the plants to your garden, your climate. Remember when I told you I planted these garlic bulbs? This is the third year I'm planting them. I'm getting ready to plant my fourth year of these garlic bulbs. Over time, these bulbs are going to adapt and they're going to get stronger and stronger to my area, my soil, my growing conditions. Pretty soon we'll have a dynamite garlic bulb growing here. So not only will they adapt, they'll also be more pest resistant to any pests that I have around here, or disease resistant to any diseases that I have around here. They'll continue to grow in that manner and be more and more every year disease resistant or pest resistant. You know, they always say if something ain't broke, don't fix it. That's what you can do with your seeds. If those seeds are continuously growing and doing good, well in your garden, harvest them. Bring them back the next year. Bring them back that following year. Bring them back the year after that. And just keep going with them. Keep running with them as long as you can. You have very strong plants and abundant harvest. Reason number four, create a legacy. What am I here to do? What is Doug the crock gardener here to do? What can I leave behind? What can I pass down from generation to generation to generation? You know how awesome it'll be one day whenever I can hand Kid Croc some seeds and say, here you go, buddy. I've used these seeds for 20 some years or 10 some years. Imagine what kind of legacy you could leave with just a simple little seed. Seed saving is a hands-on experience and it deepens your understanding of the plant's life cycle. Imagine planting a seed, watching that plant grow and grow and grow and produce abundance more seeds. The whole while you're studying this plant, you can see what's good with it, what's bad with it. Maybe this plant over here does better than this plant over here. You could pick and choose what seeds you're going to choose off those plants, and you can kind of grow your own little variety. And as I stated earlier, how about passing those seeds down? What kind of legacy are you going to leave for your children or your grandchildren or your neighbor, whoever you're giving those seeds to? It's going to have, those seeds are going to have a history behind them. You're going to have a valid reason to grow them because they are adapted to this area. You're also giving them some sustainability and a connection to the earth. So if you haven't started saving seeds yet, I suggest you do give it a try. It's an empowering, sustainable, and incredibly rewarding practice that you could apply to your garden and really grow as a true gardener. Tell me, what seeds are you most excited about saving? In the next video, I am going to go over how to save some seeds. We're going to go over how to save your dry seeds, which is really simple, and we'll go over how to save wet seeds. So if you're interested in seeing that video, make sure you give this one a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications. You'll get a notification when that video arrives. Also, give this one a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless.